let's go.
So let's go down the hallway and check it out.
Alright.
So we're going to have rooms on the right and left here. As you can see, we have a lot of tradesmen up here installing plumbing, HVAC, ductwork. Here's one of the typical rooms.
Okay.
We'll step in. Now it's hard to imagine it. I can see maybe from your point of view, but it's going to be with beautiful finishes. You're going to have an excellent restroom coming into your left here.
I can see the bones already. This is so exciting because we were here just a few months ago, and it was just boards holding up, and it's changed so much.
Yes.
Now there's walls. We can see what's going on here.
Yes,
so.
we've made great milestones since our last visit, and those boards you're talking about are reshoring, and they hold up the concrete until it gets strong enough, and that comes with time, so you can actually support itself. So we remove out those boards, or the 4x4s that hold up that level,
That's why
and then we start building, the walls with the studding.
Okay. All right. So this is the bathroom when you walk into your room. We got a shower over here. Is that what's going on?
Yes, we're going to have a shower that's going to be placed over here. Beautiful shower pan,
Okay.
top-notch tile. We're going to have a beautiful double vanity right here. A toilet area over here with premium finishes throughout.
I'm so excited. That'll be great. And then we go into the room here, huh?
Yes, if you take a left down here, this is going to be your living space. You're going to have your sleeping area over here, and your little nook or sitting area over next to this beautiful view that you can't really see through the Viscreen right now. They haven't yet to put this window in yet.
But we're getting windows, we're getting further along, and we're already up to what floor?
We're at level 18 right now.
All right, 18 of 23. We're so excited. Thank you so much for showing us around.
Oh, my pleasure, Molly.